Good morning, students. My name is Shashi Sharma. Today we are going to discuss exercise 1.3 of chapter number 1. Now, in that first slide, I am going to discuss with you a general rule for estimation. Now, in that, what is there? The general rule for estimating is to look at the digit to the right of the digit you want to estimate. Estimating or rounding off to the nearest whole number means looking at the digit to the right of a decimal. If you see a digit greater than 5, round up, and if it is less than 5, round down. Now 43 rounded off to nearest tens is 40. Now 43, see the unit place is 3 and 3 is less than 5. So the answer comes 40. Now you can see the second example, 39 rounded up to nearest tens is 40. Now in this 9 is greater than 5. So we will go to the next tens. After 3 the next tens is 40. So that like this we are going to use the rule, and this rule is called general rule for estimation. Now same thing applies for, suppose it is for 100. Suppose it is given 973. So 973 rounded off to 100. What is the answer then? It will be coming as 1000, because 9 it could be 973, 900 cannot come, so it will come 1000 is the answer. So like this we have to follow a same rule and same thing will work. Now second slide, you just see now, it is exercise 1.3 question number 1. Estimate each of the following using general rule. 730, first part, 730 plus 998. Now here in this question it is not mentioned rounded off in 100 or tens. So whenever it is not mentioned, we will always round it off to the 2 digit. If it is given 3 digit number, then we round off to 2 digit, which means here it is given 3 digits are given, we will round off to 100 place. Like this we are going to round off. You can see now A part. Now 730 plus 998 round. Now rounding off of 730 to nearest 100 will be equal to 700. Now round off of 998 to nearest 100 will be 1000. Now therefore 730 plus 998, I will take the round off value, and the value is 700 plus 1000, and the answer comes equal to 1700. Next slide, you see the B part, 796 minus 314. Now rounding off of 796 to a nearest 100 equal to how much? You can see it is easily, we can see on the screen, it is 800. Now rounding off of 314 to nearest 100 is 300. So therefore 800 minus 300 will be equal to 500. Now it is very easily you can understand how to do round off nearest 100. Now same process I am going to do when I am nearest 1000. Now see the next C part, 12,904 plus 2,888. Now round off of 12,904 to 904 to the nearest 1000 will be 13,000, and rounding off of 2,888 to nearest 1000 will be 3000. And you can see now the answer will be 13,000 plus 3000 equal to 16,000. Now D part, you just see here, it is here 28,292. It means 28,292 minus 21,496. So now I'll do round off here in 1000. So 28,292 round off to nearest 1000 is 28,000, and rounding off of 21,496 equal to nearest 1000 is 21,000, and 28,000 minus 21,000 equal to 7,000. Now you see the next slide. In the next slide it comes examples are there. Example, they have asked give 10 example, and you can see example number 1. It is, I am going to discuss with you only few example. First example is 1210 plus 2365. Now here rounding off is done in 100. You can see the answer comes 1200 plus 2400. The answer is 3600. Now same way in example number 2 you can see 3853 is rounded off to 4000, and 6524 is rounded off to 7000, and the addition of both the number comes 11,000. And now I'll discuss one few example more. I'm discussing in between. Example number 5, 1927 plus 3185. So what is the nearest 100 to 1927? Is 2000. And here 3185, what is the nearest 100 is there, so it is 3000. You can see here in this, what we are doing, rounding off is always done in thousand. Here now in this we are doing in thousand. So it is here, you can see 1927, if you do 100 also comes same, and even 1000 also comes same. Some numbers you will get a same answer. So 2000 plus 3000 equal to 5000. But prefer in all the question, the rounding off should be done for the both the number in the same way. I mean to say, in one number you are doing 1000, one number you are doing 100, it is not justified. Sometimes the calculation error may happen, so better prefer to go for the same type of rounding off if the number of digits are same in both the numbers. Now you see example number 7, 8735 plus 6232. It comes, you can see here, now I am doing rounding off in thousands, so it comes 9000 plus 6000, the answer is coming 15,000. Now you can see example number 8, 101038 minus 1028. Now 1038 minus 1028. Now 1000 minus 1000 equal to 0. Now example number 10, 9854 minus 6385. Answer comes here, rounding off is again done in thousands, so it comes 10,000 minus 6,000, now equal to 4,000. Now be careful, when the digits are 4, then we do round off in 1000. When digits are 3, we do round off in 100. Like this, very simple rule is followed. But see, here in estimation there is no fixed rule. Some may estimate in tens, the answer may change. So let us see the next slide. And now here question number 2 is given. Give a rough estimate by rounding off to the nearest 100, and also closer estimate by rounding off to nearest tens. Now first we will do rounding off nearest 100, then we will see same question in rounding off nearest tens. You can see the first A part, 439 plus 334 plus 4317, the rough estimate rounding up to nearest 100. You can see 439 becomes how much? 400. 334 becomes how much? 300. And 4317 becomes 4300, and the addition of all this is coming 5000. Now second, closure estimate to nearest tens. Now what is the estimate of 39? It is 40, so answer is 440. What is the nearest tens to 34? Is 30, so the answer comes 330. What is the nearest tens to 317? The is 320, so 4320. When we add all the three numbers, it comes 5090. Now you can see, understand easily, there is a difference in the answer, but it is estimation. Now come on the next slide. B part, it is 1,08734 minus 47599. Now we are doing first rough estimate to nearest 100. Now nearest 100, you can see 734, nearest 100 is 700. So 1,08, 700. Now what is the nearest 100 to 599? It is 600. So 47, 600. Now if we do subtraction from the big number to small number, you can see the answer comes 61,100. Now same thing, I am going to do the calculation by nearest tens. So you can see 1,08, 734. Now what is the nearest 100 to 34? It is 30. So 1,08, 730 minus 47. What is the nearest 100 nearest tens to 99? So it is 100 only. So it becomes here how much? 47,600. So you can see the answer here. Now subtraction answer comes 61,130. Now you just see here, for 47599 even the nearest 100 also is same and nearest tens also is same. Sometime it will happen in some of the numbers, so don't get confused. Now, but it is right. C part, 8325 minus 491. Now rough estimate to of to nearest 100. Now what is the nearest 100 to 325? It is 300. So answer is 8300. Now what is the nearest 100 to 491? It is 500. So the answer comes 8300 minus 500 equal to 7800. Now second part, closure estimate of nearest tens. Now same thing. So what is the nearest tens here of 25? It is 30, because we in 5 we have to go up. So it comes, so 8330. And what is the nearest tens to 91? Is 90 only. So it comes minus 490. So the answer comes 7840. This much I want to explain in this slide. Come on the next slide, and it is D part. You can see easily it is 4,89, 348, and here next number is 48,365. Now first, rough estimate rounding off to nearest 100. Now nearest 100. Now what is the nearest 100 to 348? It is 300 only. So it comes 489,300. Now what is the nearest 100 to 365? It is 400. So it comes 48,400. Now the answer comes 4, 40, 900. It means 4,40,900. Now closure estimate of the same problem in nearest tens. Now what is the nearest tens to 48? It is 50. So it comes 350. So and what is the nearest tens to 65? It is 70. So it comes like this: 4, 89, 350 equal to, sorry, not minus 48, 370 equal to 4,40,980. Now they said in the question, give some example of similar like. So I have given the example. You can see example number 1, 384 plus 562, and you can easily understand 384 round off is 400 and 562 round off is 600. So the answer comes 1000. Now closure estimate of 384 and nearest tens is 380 and 562 near estimate is 560. So equal to 940. Now you see the next slide, example number 2. It is 8765 minus 3820. Solution I am saying now here, a rough estimate of 8765 becomes 8800 minus 3900. So answer comes 4900. Now you can see the nearest tens of the same number. It comes 8770 minus 3820, and the answer comes of the subtraction is 4950. Example number 3 is same way. So 653, the nearest answer 100 to 653 is 700, and nearest 100 to 265 is 300, and total answer comes as 15,000. Now 15,000 is the answer. Second part, closure estimate of to a nearest tens. Now 6,653 plus 8265. I am doing nearest tens. So 53 nearest tens is 50, 65 nearest tens is 70. When we add, the answer comes 14,920. Next slide, see here example number 4 is given, and you can see a solution. The nearest 100 to 3826 is 3800 and minus 1300 of the second number, that is 1262, and the net answer comes 2500. Now you see here 3800, when I do round up to nearest tens is coming. What is the nearest tens to 26 is 30, and nearest tens to 62 is 60. The answer comes 3830 minus 1260, the answer comes 2570. Now you see the next slide, it is given question number 3, estimate the following products using general rule. Now A part is given 578 multiplied by 161. So it is not given now what to do here in this question, how much to be rounded off. So very simple, if 3-digit number we will round off to 100. So 578 I rounded off to 100, the answer comes 600, and 161 rounded off to 100 is 200. The answer comes 6 to the 12. So 12, and how many zeros will come? 4 zeros. So it is 1,20,000. Next, now 5281 and 3491. So what is the rounding off of 5281? 5281 I'll round off to 1000. So what is the nearest 1000? 5281 is 5000, and the answer comes 5000, and 3491 nearest 1000 is 3000. The answer comes, you can see easily, 1 crore 50 lakh. This is the answer. Next here, C part, 1291 multiplied by 592. Now it is comes, now what is the rounding off of 1291? 1291 round off is 1300, and what is the rounding off of 592 in hundreds? It is 600. Now the answer comes, you can see 13 6 is 78 and 4 zeros, so it comes to 7,80,000. Next, 9250 multiplied by 29, but in this you can see the digits are different, or both the digit means the number of digits in both the numbers are different. In one it contains 2, one it contains 4. We can't follow the rule what I said you. So here in one we are going to round off by tens, and one we are going to round off by 1000. By rounding off in 1000 we get 9000, and multiplied by 30, so it comes 2,70,000. Now you see the next slide, example number 1. Example number 1 is given like this: 3882 multiplied by 1062, and the solution you can see here, the 382 rounding off, the answer is 400, and 1062 is rounding off, the answer is 1000. The net answer comes 4 lakh. Now 6821 multiplied by 1291 is the second example, and 6281 nearest 1000 is 7000, and 1291 nearest 1000 is 1000, and the answer comes 70 lakh. Now 3858 multiplied by 9350. Now 3858 rounding off to nearest 1000 is 4000, and 9350 rounding off, the answer comes 9000. The net answer comes here, you can see it is 3 60 00, and it is coming how many zeros? You can see 6 zeros are there after 36. It means it is 3 crore 60 lakhs. Now next you can see the next example number 4. It is given 3405, so I'll round up to 1000, so answer comes 3000, and here 750 rounding up to 1000 is 8000, and the answer comes here, the answer is 2 crore 40 lakhs is the answer. Now it is very easy to understood in this slide. Come on the next slide, it is here is the worksheet I gave on the base of this what I discussed with you. It is very easy. And now come on the next slide, solution of the previous worksheet. Now question number 1, which was given to you, I am just going to discuss what is the operation to be used here. Sum of two numbers is given and one number is given, so we are going to subtract. Here we are going to do subtraction, right? In question number 2, and if total cost is 36 flat is given, and find the cost of each flat, so you have to do division. Here you are going to do division. Next, question number 3, there are 48 groups of 172 people. How many people are there in all? Now here in one group there are 172 people, and total groups how many? 48. So we are going to multiply here, and the answer you can see it is given 8256. And next question, Soumya opened an account and some amount is 36,000 amount is deposited. After a few days she withdrew 13,150. Now this much amount is withdrawn, it means taken out from the bank, so that much you have to deduct. So 36,000 minus 13,150, the answer comes 22,850 rupees. Now you can see question number 5. The distance between the school and the house of the Mohit is given 1.5 kilometer. Now 1.5 kilometer, so in a one day he will travel up and down, so it will travel 3 kilometer, and for 6 days it becomes 3 into 6 18. So the answer is 18 kilometer. Thank you. And now I am going to discuss with you of this work. There is a worksheet already I aligned in this topic. You have to solve this worksheet and I will interact with you in the next video. Thank you.